Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. However, today I just want to show you a couple of things. Today's Sunday. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, Saturday, and wanted to pick up a few things that I need for my kitchen. I needed one of those scrapers and I needed a spatula. So I went to Dollar Tree and I started wandering around the aisles, of course, and I put myself on a budget. I'm not going to spend more than $25, and this is how it's going to go. I didn't get a cart. I got a basket. So I picked up a few things in the nail area that surprised me. I don't know why it surprised me, but some interesting items. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I have just one small bag, so this is going to go super quick, okay? Give me 3 to 5 minutes and we'll be done. So first, this wasn't in the nail aisle. This was in the hair aisle. It's a hair donut. I used to wear my hair up in a bun. I haven't in a long time. I figured this would be a good excuse to buy this and try putting my hair back up in a bun again. We'll see. We'll see if it turns out. And then I picked up this almond milk peel face mask for sensitive skin. It says gentle exfoliating lactic acid plus vitamin E. I do have sensitive skin. I break out all the time. So I'm going to try this. I usually don't try the Dollar Tree face stuff because I'm afraid, basically. But I'm going to give it a try, see what happens. $1.25. There's two peels, milk peels. There's 2 milk peels in here. So we'll give it a try, see what happens. And then I think the rest is nails, yes. So first was this Sassy and Chic electronic nail kit. I have seen these before. I even think I may have gotten one once upon a time, but have no idea where it is. I probably threw it away somewhere along the way. But I'm gonna do my nails for Christmas, and so I wanted to see if I could use this perhaps. It has 3 different attachments, and then the body of it, it requires 1 AA battery that's not included. And it's a 4-piece set, so it includes electronic base holder, the shaping tool, the cuticle pusher, and the buffing tool. So that's what you get on that one. So that'll be fun. I'll try that. And then I got a nail clipper. This actually looks more like a dog nail clipper than it does for humans. But I'm guessing when you have the long fake nails, this is what you would want to use instead of a regular nail clipper because this is bigger. It can handle more of that bigger nail, basically, that thicker nail. So, Sassy and Chic nail clipper, $1.25. And then I also have seen this before. I actually saw this in someone else's haul like 2 weeks ago, I think, maybe 3 weeks. This is Cuticle oil balm to help fix those cuticles. I have completely destroyed my finger. It is sliced wide open. I don't know what happened, how or why, but I'm actually going to put this on there, and then I'll on my cuticles as well, of course. So we'll see. Just cuticle oil balm. Massage into the cuticle. Use the cuticle pusher. Continue massaging the balm into your cuticles and nails until fully absorbed. So just put it on and smear it in until it's absorbed, basically. And then there is the nail polish corrector pen, and this is infused with vitamin E. And so this is when you've painted your nails and you know how you kind of go over sometimes. This apparently will help you get rid of wherever you went over. So it's just a nail polish corrector pen. Now this is by Be Pure. The cuticle oil was also by Be Pure, but the others were Sassy and Chic. So I don't know, but this is Be Pure nail polish corrector pen. And then we got a few nail polishes. I wanted green. Again, I'm doing this for Christmas, so I wanted green. I actually got 2 different colors. So I got this Candy Moyo quick dry nail polish in forest green. It says 60 seconds quick dry is what it says. Who knows if that's true or not, but that's what it says. And it's kind of a dark forest green. And then, whoa, I almost spilled it. And then I also picked up this one. This one is also Candy Moyo nail polish. It doesn't have a color, but it's also green, but it's much lighter. So I'm not sure. This one looks a little bit more like a Christmas tree. This one looks a little bit more festive, if that makes sense. But I'm going to try both. We'll see what happens, see which one I like better. And then last but not least, this was somewhat amazing to me. I don't know how this is possible, but we have a 100-piece artificial nail set by Ladybird. Maybe this isn't new, and since I don't shop the nail aisle ever because my nails look crazy, I maybe just have never seen this before, but a 100-piece acrylic nail set, like that's crazy. That's crazy. That's 10 times of you doing your nails, basically, completely from start to finish. So that was interesting. I have the nail glue from Amazon already. I didn't get any nail glue from Dollar Tree. I have nail glue though, so I am actually going to try this out. I'm hoping I can maybe fit it in on this video. I don't know if it's going to happen though. So we'll see. But I thought this was amazing. 100-piece artificial nail set, $1.25. How can you beat that? And that's it. So it's basically just nail stuff. So hopefully I'll be able to show you what my nails look like. This is how they look now. It's quick and easy. I don't want you to see because they look horrible. But hopefully I'll be able to show you once I've completed and painted and maybe put on those acrylic nails. We'll see how it goes. So go ahead, give the video a big thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment below. And also subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And I am again wishing you happy holidays. I hope everything is going well and you're taking it easy and enjoying this holiday season. I love it. I've made my house into a Christmas light nightmare. There's lights everywhere. So it's fun for me though. I have fun with it. And I also hope that you can appreciate today as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks guys. Y'all have a great one.